In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make your Substack private. If you want tighter control over who can read your posts you are sharing early drafts, creating an invite-only newsletter, or building a smaller community, switching your publication to private is quick and reversible. I'll walk you through exactly where to find the setting and how to handle access requests, so you stay in control at every step. Start by signing into your Substack account and heading to your dashboard. This is your home base for managing posts. Design, audience, and settings. At the top of the page, you'll see the main navigation bar. Click on Settings. This area lets you control everything from branding to delivery preferences. But today, we're focusing on privacy. Once you are in Settings, scroll down until you find the Privacy section. Here, you'll see the option labeled Private Mode. Toggle that on. When private mode is enabled, your publication is no longer open to the public. Instead of instantly accessing your posts, visitors will see that they need permission to read your content. This is ideal if you want your writing to be visible only to people you specifically approve. After you turn on private mode, anyone who lands on your publication and wants to read it will have to request access. You don't need to do anything special to enable these requests. It happens automatically. You'll receive email notifications whenever someone asks to join, so you won't miss new requests. If you rely on email filters, it's a good idea to keep an eye on your inbox so you can respond promptly. To approve or deny requests, go to your subscribers page in the dashboard. This is where all incoming access requests appear. You can review each requester and decide whether to grant access. Approving a request gives that person permission to read your posts moving forward, while denying it keeps your publication restricted. Take a moment to confirm your choices before you apply them. And keep in mind that you can return to this page anytime to review new requests as they come in. That's all there is to it. Access settings, turn on private mode in the privacy section. Let visitors request access and manage approvals from your subscribers page. With these steps, you maintain full control over who joins your readership while keeping the process simple for you and your audience. Thanks for watching.